Let's learn how to edit gaming subtitles in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please like and subscribe. Start by adding your video to the timeline and press the T key to select the text tool. Click on the preview screen where you want the subtitle and type your text. Switch to the selection tool to style the text. In Effect Controls, under the Graphics section, expand text. Change the font, e.g. Mod 1, adjust the size using the font size slider, and reposition the text directly in the preview window. Check the stroke box, set the color to black for readability, and adjust the stroke size, e.g. 10. Enable shadow for a drop shadow effect and set its opacity to 100 for better visibility. To animate the subtitle, select the text layer and move the anchor point to the middle of the text in the preview. In Effect Controls, under the Text section, find the Scale property. Move the playhead to the animation start, set the scale to 0, and enable keyframing by clicking the stopwatch. Move 10 frames forward, set the scale to 125 for a pop effect, then move 5 frames ahead and set it to 100 for a smooth finish. Duplicate subtitles by holding the Alt key and dragging the layer, then edit the duplicate as needed. For text tracking, position your subtitle over the subject, then keyframe the position property in Effect Controls. Scrub through the footage and reposition the text each time it strays from the subject, creating new keyframes. Continue this process until the tracking looks seamless. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.